If you want to enable Android phone notifications on your Redmi Watch 6, what you need to do is you need to go to the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app on your phone. And once you go to device and choose your Redmi Watch 6, if of course you have to choose, then you should be able to find notifications and calls. So let's go over here. Then we're gonna go to app notifications, and of course we need to make sure that app notifications are enabled. There are some additional settings here and there related to notifications, so be sure to check them out. But what you can also do is here in more options, we have two settings. So we can either go for mirror phone and notifications, which means that pretty much every notification that you receive on your phone is going to be shown on your watch as well. And if you go for custom notifications over here, then you can choose apps individually, which ones should be able to send you notifications to your watch. So if you don't want to see all notifications from your phone on your watch, then you can choose custom notifications, and then you just want to make sure that all relevant apps are enabled in here so that you can of course receive notifications from these apps on your Redmi Watch 6. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.